Motivational health tips for young people. 1. Think positive. Start your day with positive thoughts. Remind yourself of your goals and what you're good at. 2. Eat colorfully. Fill your plate with different fruits and veggies. They're tasty and good for you. 3. Get moving. Find a sport or activity you enjoy, like cricket or dancing. Having fun makes it easier to stay active. 4. Set small goals. Break your health goals into tiny steps. Celebrate each little success to keep your spirits up. 5. Drink water. Challenge yourself to drink enough water every day. Staying hydrated helps you feel better. 6. Sleep tight. Make a bedtime routine. Good sleep is super important for feeling healthy and happy. 7. Breathe and relax. Try a few minutes of meditation or deep breathing. It can help reduce stress and clear your mind. 8. Enjoy nature. Spend time outside. Being in nature can boost your mood and help you relax. 9. Learn about health. Stay informed about health tips. Knowing how to take care of yourself can motivate you to make good choices. 10. Buddy up chucked. Find a friend or family member to share your health goals with. Supporting each other can keep you motivated. Remember, every small step towards a healthier lifestyle matters. Enjoy your journey and stay positive.